Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram DM disappearing mode. Now to use this DM disappearing mode in Instagram, all you have to do is head towards your inbox or your DM. From there, head to any specific chat, and from there scroll towards upward from your blank space on your chat or your conversation, and as you can see, the disappearing mode has been enabled. Now in this disappearing mode, any message that you send by tapping on this chat box will be deleted after 24 hours or after everyone has seen them in this conversation. And as you can see, the message is being sent in this disappearing mode. However, if you want to cancel this mode or you want to remove this mode from your conversation, all you have to do is tap on all you have to do is scroll towards upwards from your chat box, and as you can see, the disappearing messages is once again turned off. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.